I hope you all are fine and enjoying your stay at home. But let us do something in increasing our knowledge. So, just to make you alert, I am taking a new story from your book. It so happened, and that is chapter 5, Princess September. A very decent story, very interesting. You will like it when you will listen to the video. Now I am starting this story. Some of the details I will tell you, and some of the lines are very clear to you. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. राजा और रानी की बहुत सारी लड़कियां होने के कारण she was not able to remember the names. One day the king decided to call them January, February, March, till he came to the youngest, whom he called September. So the last daughter's name was September. The king of Siam had a very special habit. Instead of receiving gift on his birthday, he gave them. बर्थडे के दिन वो लोगों से उपहार लेता नहीं देता था. This was his habit. This was something very unusual. 1 year on his birthday, not having anything else, एक बार उसके पास बर्थडे में कुछ हाथ में देने को नहीं था. He gave each of his daughter a green parrot in a golden case. सोने के पिंजरे में he gave a parrot to each and every daughter. The princesses were very proud of their parrots. They liked their parrots too much, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. So they used to spend their time in teaching them something new and to talk. Presently means at that time, all the parrots could say, God save the king. So the parrots were in the habit of saying one line, that is, Bhagwan Raja ki raksha kare. And some of them could say, pretty Polly, in no less than 7 Oriental languages. So they learn this word, that is pretty Polly, and they used to say it in 7 languages, that is of Far East. So now one day something happened, but one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found lying dead at the bottom of his golden cage. एक बार Princess September पिंजरे में गई तो देखा तोता मरा हुआ है. She burst into a flood of tears. She started crying, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. So the servants of Princess September could not console her. राहत नहीं दे सके उसे. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was stuff and nonsense, and the child had better go to bed without any supper. So all the maids of honor, they did not know what to do, so they told the queen. So queen, the mother said, this is something very foolish, and you make the girl sleep and don't give any supper to her. She punished Princess September. The maids of honor wanted to go to a party. नौकरानियों को पार्टी में जाना था. So they put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could. So they made her sleep as quickly as they could and left her by herself and left her all alone. And while she lay in her bed crying, still even though she felt rather hungry, अभी भी वो रो रही थी, तो she did not feel any, she was not at all hungry. She saw a little bird hop into her room. She was sitting and crying. Then suddenly she saw that a bird came into her room. She wiped her tears and sat up. उठी और आंसू पोंछ के बैठ गई. Then the little bird began to sing, and he sang a beautiful song. It was a male bird. उसने खूब अच्छा गाना गाया. All about and in the song he included everything, whatever he saw while he was flying, like lake in the king's garden, and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water, how the trees look when the shadow falls in the water, and the goldfish that glided in, and the goldfish which moved into the water, and out of the branches that were reflected in it, and the branches also which were reflected in the water. So the bird was singing the song related to all this. When he had finished, the princess was not crying. Now the princess was not at all crying. She forgot about that she had no supper. वो ये भी भूल गई कि उसने खाना नहीं खाया. That was very nice song. The bird was singing a very beautiful song. The little bird gave her a bow. Little girl bent in front of the bird. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? Little bird उसके आगे झुकी और बोली, क्या तुम मुझे अपने तोते की जगह रख लोगी? It's true that I am not so pretty to look at, but on the other hand I have a much better voice. मैं सुंदर तो नहीं हूँ दिखने में, but I can sing very well. Princess September clapped her hands with delight. She was very happy, so she clapped, and then the little bird hopped to the end of her bed. चिड़िया उछलती थी उसके बिस्तर के पास आई, and made her sleep by singing. When she woke next day, when Princess September awoke next day, the little bird was still there. वो अभी वहीं थी. And as she opened her eyes, I said, "Good morning." The maids of honor brought in her breakfast. The servants brought breakfast for Princess September. And he ate rice out of her hand. और चिड़िया ने उसके हाथ से खाना खाया. And he had his bath in her saucer. और कटोरे में उसने अपने आप को पानी से नहला लिया. He began to sing again. उसने फिर गाना गाया so beautifully that the maids of honor were quite surprised. कि नौकरानियाँ भी हैरान रह गई. For they had never heard anything like it. उन्होंने ऐसा गाना पहले नहीं सुना था. And Princess September was very proud and happy. Princess September was very happy and feeling very proud on herself. Now I want to show you to my 8 sisters. Princess said, now let me show you to my sisters. She stretched out the first finger of her right hand. उसने अपनी right hand की पहली उंगली को आगे किया. So that it served as a perch so that it can work as a branch. And the little bird flew down and sat on it. तो ताकि वो bird उसके ऊपर बैठ सके. Then followed by her maids of honor, she went through the palace. नौकरानियों के साथ वो पूरे पैलेस में गई. And called on each of the princes. और सारी राजकुमारियों को बुलाया. And for each of them the little bird sang a different song. सब लड़कियों सब बहनों के लिए little bird sang different song. But the parrots could only say, but तोते सिर्फ एक ही बात बोल पा रहे थे. And they learned only 2 things, 2 sentences: God save the king and Pretty Polly. At last she showed the little bird to the king. And she went to the father and mother and showed the little bird to them. They were surprised and very happy. I knew I was right to send you to bed without any supper. रानी ने कहा मैंने अच्छा किया तुम्हें बिना खाना खाए सुला दिया. This bird sings much better than the parrots, said the king. ने कहा ये चिड़िया तो तोतों से अच्छा गाती है. I should have thought you got quite tired of hearing people say God save the king, said the queen. मेरा ऐसा विचार है कि बहुत दिनों से एक ही बात सुनते सुनते गॉड की भगवान राजा की रक्षा करे. आई कांट थिंक वाई दोज गर्ल्स वांटेड टू टीच देयर पेरेंट्स टू से टू. मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता कि राजकुमारियों ने अपने तोते को ये क्यों सिखाया. द सेंटिमेंट इज़ एडमायरेबल, द फीलिंग्स आर वेरी अप्रिशिएटिंग, सेड द किंग. एंड आई नेवर माइंड हाउ ऑफन आई हियर इट. मुझे कभी बुरा नहीं लगता वो कितनी बार भी बोलें तो मुझे सुनना बुरा नहीं लगता. But I do get tired of hearing those parrots say Pretty Polly. But one thing I don't like from the parrots, that is when they say Pretty Polly. They say in different languages, said the princess. So all the daughters said they don't say this word in one language, they say in several languages. I dare say they do. I don't deny that they don't do. But it reminds me too much of my counselors. पर ये मुझे मेरे सलाहकारों की एडवाइज़र्स की याद कराता है. They say the same thing in 7 different ways. मेरे सलाहकार, the person who give me advice in the court, they also say 7 things in different ways. And it never means anything in any way they say it. And I don't come to any conclusion with what they say. और मैं कभी भी किसी नतीजे पर नहीं पहुंच पाता. वो कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकाल पाता उनकी बातों का. In the same manner, I cannot take out the meaning of this word Pretty Polly. What these parrots speak regularly. The princesses were vexed. They were very sad at this, and the parrots looked very glum indeed. और parrots भी बहुत दुखी हुए बात सुन के. But Princess September ran through all the rooms of the palace. पर Princess September अपनी गाती हुई चिड़िया को लेकर पूरे महल में घूमी. While the little bird flew around and round her singing like a nightingale. और चिड़िया उसके आसपास एक नाइटिंगेल की तरह, एक बुलबुल की तरह गाती हुई घूम रही थी. Things went on like this. This routine went on for several days. And then the 8 princes put their heads together. 8 बहनों ने अपनी एक राय कर ली. They went to September and sat down in circle round her. They became one and went to September's room and sat around her. से चारों तरफ बैठ गई. My poor September, they said, we are sorry for the death of your beautiful parrot. तुम्हारे तोते के मरने का हमें बड़ा दुख है. It must be dreadful for you not to have a pet bird as we have. It must be very sorrowful for you that you don't have any pet as we have. So we have all put our pocket money together. हम सबने अपने पैसे मिला लिए हैं. And we are going to buy a lovely and green parrot. हम तुम्हारे लिए एक अच्छा सा सुंदर हरा तोता लेकर आएंगे. Thank you for nothing. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Then thanks a lot. I have a very beautiful pet bird which sings the most charming songs to me. She sings very interesting and attractive songs. He sings very attractive songs for me. And I don't know what on earth I should do with a green and yellow parrot. ये समझ नहीं आता कि मैं हरे और सुंदर तोते का करूँगी क्या. Well, my dear, they said, it's absurd to talk of your bird. It's very foolish to talk of your bird. And the little fellow flies in and out just as he likes. क्योंकि वो तो अपनी मर्जी से उड़ता अंदर आता जाता रहता है. They looked around the room and raised their eyebrows. उन्होंने चारों तरफ अपनी आंखें घुमाई कमरे में और देखा. Do you think mind you are asking where your bird is now? क्या तुम्हें बता सकते हो where is your bird at present? He has gone to pay a visit to his father-in-law. वो अपने ससुर के घर गया है. Said Princess September. What makes you think he will come back? तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि वो वापस आएगा? He always does come back. He always comes back. Well, my dear, said the princess, if you will take our advice, अगर हमारी सलाह मानो, you won't run any risk. There will be no danger for you like that. If he comes back, अगर वो आता है, and mind you take care. If he does, you will be lucky. So I think you will be lucky if he comes back. Pop him, put him into the cage, and keep him there. उसको पिंजरे में डाल के रखो. That is the only way you can be sure of him. तभी तुम निश्चित हो सकती हो कि वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा. बट आई लाइक टू हैव हिम फ्लाई अबाउट द रूम. पर मुझे उसका कमरे में घूमना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सेड द यंग प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर. सेफ्टी फर्स्ट, सेड द सिस्टर्स वेरी ऑमनेसली, वेरी नाइसली. कि पहले सुरक्षा है, पहले द सेफ्टी ऑफ द बर्ड इज़ देयर, दैट द बर्ड डज नॉट फ्लाई अवे. दे गॉट अप, द सिस्टर्स गॉट अप एंड वॉकड आउट ऑफ द रूम एंड वेंट आउट ऑफ द रूम ऑफ प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर, शेकिंग देयर हेड्स, अपने सिर हिलाती हुई. And they left September very uneasy. September को putting September in tension of the bird, they went away from there. So this is your part 1 of story. Now what happened in the second part, that we will do tomorrow. So first part, let me see the comprehension questions which are in the first part of the story. Out of these questions, there is one of the question which you don't have to do. Fourth question you don't have to do. Seventh question you don't have to do. And all the rest of the questions you have to do. So the questions which you don't have to do is, I am repeating, question number 4 and question number 7 you don't have to do from this part. That is the first part of the story. So children, listen to this first part of the September, and tomorrow I will take the second part of this story, that is Princess September, so that the story is clear to you. So thank you children, thank you very much. Once again I am saying that please listen to the video.